Understanding kwargs dictionary packing. Use double asterisks to accept an infinite number of named key value inputs. Python captures them inside a dictionary. For example, okay, calling with name arguments, okay, unpacking an exciting dictionary using asterisk. Okay, let's run and print. Excuse me. Oh, and print. Combining args and kwargs, the strict order. The golden rule for combining arguments: standard variables first, followed by args, and kwargs always comes last. For example, and valid positioning, okay. Critical error. You cannot pass a positional argument a raw value after you have started passing keyword arguments. Advanced boundaries using a slash and asterisk. Enforce how arguments must be passed using these two divider symbols. Before the slash, strictly positional only variable names cannot be used. After the asterisk, strictly keyword only variable names must be explicitly written. In between, standard parameters can be passed using either method. For example, okay, as you can see, and valid calls, invalid calls, okay, and let's run and let's print. If you help, subscribe for more videos.